This is a full-blown masterclass on how to get leads and traffic that will pay you lots and lots of money. All right. Now, this is a personal private mastermind that we did for a very high-level group where I was sharing the 3 different types of traffic sources that somebody can utilize in order to scale faster than what you can imagine. There are 3 types. All right. There's the traffic that you buy, there's the traffic that you own, and there's the traffic that you earn. Okay. And when you mix all these 3 things, you get infinite amount of leads and sales and people who are literally ready to buy your products, right? So yeah, I'm gonna explain all of these 3 things in detail. Make sure you have a lot of fun. Make sure you take a lot of notes, and this will just one of these concepts from this entire video will change your entire business. So stay tuned, enjoy, take notes, and I'll talk to you once the video is done.
Okay, all these people who are building the social media presence, I mean, we keep hearing in the social media that, okay, run the ads and get people and all those things, right? But these people who have maybe 2 million, 5 million, 10 million subscribers, they might not be making that much amount of money.
You're
people
right.
who are running
You are
the ads
100%
yeah.
right.
So it means these people are really playing big game. Maybe they are not withdrawing the money now, but maybe in future they are going to do
You're
that.
right and you're wrong. I know somebody with 2 million followers makes 2 lakhs per month. And he's like, bhai, how do I make more money? And 97% of his crowd are like not the right fit. He's just famous, not like solving a problem. Famous कोई नाच के भी हो सकता है, right? So the idea, again, मैं उनको बुरा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. It's good for them. But if you want high quality audience, you need to solve problems. Now traffic, maybe there are 3 types. How many? Everybody, how many? 3 types. So it's a triangle in itself. So there is a traffic that you own, traffic that you buy, and traffic that you earn. Traffic that you buy का मतलब क्या होता है? Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all these traffic that we are buying every single day. We pay money, we get traffic, yes or no? So how are all of you guys in this room with the traffic that I bought? I paid Zuckerberg to get traffic. You attended the workshop, you went through the funnel, and now you're here. So it's the traffic that I buy. Traffic that you earn का मतलब क्या है? Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, X. Earn matlab you have to do certain things, post reels, and you're earning followers. You don't own them, Zuckerberg owns them. That's why I'm not a fan of that. Why? Because ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. If X can ban Donald Trump, who are we? So if I work 3 years and build a distribution of 3 million followers and पता लग रहा है one day slapped in my face by भाई तेरा account restricted, खत्म ना मैं. So that's the traffic that you earn. At last, traffic that you own. Traffic that you own. You have their name, email, phone number. Like all of you guys are in my list. So that's the traffic that I own. So इसमें से the one that we focus on the most is number 1, this. Traffic you buy. Why do we buy traffic? So we can own that traffic. You know why Facebook charges for advertisement? Because you're taking from one platform to a different platform. I'm removing them from Facebook to my platform, my funnel. That for this Facebook charges me, right? वरना Facebook post आप free में भी कर सकते हो. If you are in the platform, you want to go out the platform, you need to pay for that. Okay? So I buy a lot of traffic, aka ad spend, to build the traffic that I own. Taki when I buy a lot of traffic, because I'm spending so much, because I don't have any, I don't have a lot of social proof and all these things outside. You search about me, आपको नहीं मिलेगा ज़्यादा. ये problem scale की problem है, अभी की नहीं है. After you cross 50-60 lakhs per month is when you start focusing on these stuff. That is why I now started some traffic that you earn, because जब ad आती है, everybody clicks on the profile, yes or no? The profile पे 0 post से trust low होता है. So why are we posting? Not for likes, reels, social media followers, to get lower CPM so I can make this more profitable and get more people that I can own. That's why Harry is over here shooting content. इसमें से clips निकलेगी, YouTube पे जाएगी. एक clip किसी को दिखेगा, उनका दिमाग फट जाएगा. इन लोग क्या आदमी है, खरीदो. If normally 9 people are buying from me, when somebody watches my content, 11 will buy, yes or no? Yes, they're getting nurtured more, they're listening to me more. अब YouTube वीडियो में आपको content मिलेगा बस. Implementation, accountability, getting results, किधर जाओगे? खुद कर लो. उनको भी पता है मैं नहीं करने वाला, वो नहीं करने वाले. ठीक है? So that's the idea. You own the traffic, you buy the traffic, you own the traffic. So, now your question is, ये कर लेते हैं, इनका long term game है क्या? The answer is yes and the answer is no. इसमें भी 80-20 है. 20% of the people make 80% of the money. Like Raj Shamani bought, what is his name? Vijay Mallya on the podcast. Suddenly became a sensation. Why in the world would that person go to Raj? Because he has the biggest distribution. तुम्हारे पास होता तो तुम्हारे पास आता. इंडिया में सबसे बड़ा उसका है, yes or no? At that time, controversies and all this stuff happening, that's side news. But since he was there was no option only to go to him. अब आज ये हाल है तो तुम 3 साल बाद सोचो. The guaranteed way to win is to build a big distribution, quality distribution. Automatically people will have to come to you. Option नहीं रहेगा फिर तब.
So now when we own the leads, right? When we own the leads, now the next thing is that if we keep the leads just like that, it will die.
हाँ.
So now the next thing is we have to keep nurturing till the time we withdraw from them, right? और ये continuous process भी हो सकता है.
So आपने पूछा traffic that you own, मतलब आपके पास list है and all these things, उसका क्या करे, कब करे, nurture
Exactly.
करके.
So now because otherwise it will die. If we
Yes.
they don't listen from us, then it will die. Like
Guys,
that.
how many ways remember we are doing a 50,000 people launch? उसमें 20,000 people are coming from our own email list. Add से another 15,000 will come. 5,000 from WhatsApp इधर उधर. So understood what I'm trying to say? So when you do a big launch, we have done 14.5 crores in a single day also. How did we do that? Because we have 17 lakh people on the email list. So I can just be like, guys, something big is happening. Messaging में तो मैं खिलाड़ी हूँ. Offers में I'm damn good at it. Conversions में nobody can beat me. So if I get distribution, वो तो फिर मैं funnel करके कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ ना. कभी भी कर सकता हूँ ना. If I send one WhatsApp, you'll automatically see it, yes or no. If I send one email, you'll automatically see yes or no, because that's the traffic that I own. So all of you guys need to think, how can I build a bigger base of traffic that I can own, of quality customers? That's where, so category king is not a person who makes the most profits. Category king is the person who has the bigger pie. अगर आपकी पूरी मार्केट इतनी है, अगर आपने 2% भी अपने मार्केट का शेयर ले लिया, तो you win. Because बाकी सब 0.0000 वाले शेयर में खेल रहे हैं. जब 2%, you can never get 100% of the market. वो Amazon के पास भी नहीं है. Amazon still has XY बहुत limited amount of shareholding capital. But when you get a piece of that pie, that entire industry, you become the most powerful person. तब you are at the top because आपकी community उतनी बड़ी है. Profits अपने आप निकल जाएंगे. So one lesson you can take is don't optimize for money. There are bigger games than money that will automatically follow if you follow the right things. So that's why people say money is the byproduct. Clear? Perfect.
So I hope you loved and you enjoyed this video. Now, a couple of very important things. Make sure you go ahead in the comments, put down which is that traffic source you're going to utilize first, okay? Second, make sure you share this video with somebody, a colleague, a friend, a coach, whoever that is, that can get a lot of value out of this video. Third, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to share with you a lot of principles, fundamentals, a lot of amazing stuff that will change your business and your marketing forever. So listen, hit the subscribe button right now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video very, very soon. And at the top or somewhere, you'll find another video. Watch that. It's again mind-blowing. You'll have a lot of fun. Take care.